Hey everyone, today I'm sharing something special. I've got 10 motivational quotes that are gonna push you beyond your limits and boost your business to new heights. Let's dive right in. 1. Success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill. Remember, every setback is a setup for a comeback. 1. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow is our doubts of today. Franklin D. Roosevelt. Doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will. 1. Don't watch the clock. Do what it does. Keep going. Sam Levinson. Time waits for no one. Keep moving forward. 1. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. Walt Disney. Action speaks louder than words. Start now. 1. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Mark Twain. Stop procrastinating. Just take that first step. 1. Opportunities don't happen. You create them. Chris Grosser. Be proactive. Make your own luck. 1. Success usually comes to those who are too busy to be looking for it. Henry David Thoreau. Stay focused and keep your eyes on the prize. 1. Don't be afraid to give up the good to go for the great. John D. Rockefeller. Sometimes you have to let go of what's comfortable to reach your full potential. 1. I find that the harder I work, the more luck I seem to have. Thomas Jefferson. Hard work creates opportunities. Keep grinding. 1. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Steve Jobs. Be true to yourself and your vision. Live your dream. Alright, those were my top 10 motivational quotes to supercharge your business. Remember, it's all about mindset. Keep these quotes in mind the next time you face a challenge. Stay motivated and keep pushing forward. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiration. See you next time.